Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated camera bags in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Amazon Basics Large DSLR Gadget Bag. If you are just starting out in photography or need a bag that won't be carried for long distances, this bag is our recommendation. Accessing your gear is simple with the easy top-loading design. If you're looking to keep things more secure for crowded travels or more adventurous outings, there are buckles and a zipper to keep things in place. The bag's weather resistance proved to be better than we expected. After going through a short but heavy downpour, we couldn't detect any signs of moisture in the camera compartment. Like all the other bags we tested, the Amazon Basics uses a Velcro divider system, and this bag comes with 4 dividers. It has an additional spot that could be used for a small tablet. This system makes it easy to configure for most simple camera setups. Although it can hold a 7200mm lens with a mirrorless body attached, that setup leaves no additional room in the bag for other lenses. The biggest drawback to this bag is its comfort, or lack thereof. After loading up this bag with gear and a tripod and wearing it for about a mile, our shoulders were not happy with us. We're also unsure of how well it will hold up over time because of the plastic buckles and single stitching in its manufacturing. Another issue is that this bag doesn't offer much room for accessories or non-photographic equipment outside the main compartment. For some, that won't be a big deal, but for others, it could be a deal breaker. We appreciated the included straps that can hold a tripod. However, adding even a small travel tripod makes this bag hard to manage for longer distances. Number 2. Our second best pick is CADeN Camera Backpack Bag. In terms of high capacity, it's hard to beat this camera backpack, especially for the price. As far as camera dedicated space, this bag wins among the bags we tested, holding all the photographic equipment our testers needed for a normal day of shooting with some room to spare. It can easily accommodate a 13-inch laptop, 2 water bottles, and a tripod as well. All this makes it the highest capacity for the price that we tested. We did find that this bag's comfort and construction aren't quite on par with its high capacity. When fully packed with a travel tripod, this bag bulges and feels awkward on your back immediately. That awkward fades to simple discomfort soon enough, so we don't recommend this to anyone planning prolonged carries. Another con of this bag is its weakness for inclement weather. In our rain stress testing, this bag completely soaked through. This bag also had no organization pockets for your smaller items. If you're looking for a bag that carries a lot and will protect your camera on your drive or in storage, look no further. If you are looking for a bag that will live on your back, this isn't the bag for you. Number 3. Our third best pick is Domke F 5XB Shoulder and Belt Ruggedwear Bag. It has been a workhorse brand for photojournalists for years. The F5XB is no exception. With simple and durable waxed canvas construction and double stitching everywhere you'd want it, this bag seems like it could withstand years of hard use if cared for correctly. And luckily, Domke sends you a container of wax to begin that care process. It features a simple, over-the-shoulder carry system as well as a pass-through belt option for those that prefer it. This is a very simple and small bag, and we liked carrying a mirrorless camera with a lens attached and 1 additional lens in it. Another great configuration is carrying your camera on a strap with a few extra lenses tucked away in the bag. If you like the style of this bag, but it isn't the right size, Domke makes many sizes to choose from. This is the bag our lead tester regularly carries when exploring the city with a camera. This bag is small and lacks any sort of accessory organization, just 2 drop-in pockets that run the full length of the bag. One is under the outside Velcro flap, and the other is in the main camera compartment between the padding and the waxed canvas. We found that you could fit an iPad mini in the internal drop-in pocket, but without any padding on the outside, we don't recommend it. Instead, we would opt for storing a notebook or spare batteries in that pocket. this isn't a bag we would keep our cameras in the long term, there's simply not enough room for us. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Peak Design Everyday Backpack. Simply put, this backpack is a sleekly designed bag. Its great options include dual-side access for your camera and top access for additional storage needs and additional ways to pack your gear. The attention to detail in this bag is one of the reasons we liked it so much. Magnets hold the pockets closed and attach the shoulder straps to the back of the bag when they're not in use. Speaking of pockets, we counted 18 total, including water bottle pockets. A lot of those pockets are of the stretchy, internal variety with magnetic closures. We appreciate the multiple travel-friendly attributes, like a luggage pass-through on the back panel for easy integration with a rolling bag, as well as zipper pulls that can be latched together to deter pickpockets. The addition of the pivoting shoulder straps ensures comfort on long days. With its durable and weather-resistant textiles, this backpack holds off the elements well when fully closed. An adjustable laptop sleeve keeps your computer positioned towards the top of the compartment, which is great for 2 reasons. First, it's simply easier to access. Second, since it doesn't fully rest at the bottom of the bag, the laptop is protected if you drop your bag a little too hard. Although we think the laptop sleeve design is clever, it's a little tight when loaded with a 16-inch MacBook Pro and a tablet, making them both harder to take out of the bag. In addition to that small downside, when all the pockets in the bag are loaded up, the overall fit was pretty cramped. And as you fill this bag and open its lid to accommodate larger loads, it becomes less and less weather-resistant in the top closure. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Lowepro Slingshot Travel Ready Backpack. Sling camera bags are comfortable, over-the-shoulder models made for small camera kits and daily use. This is the best compact sling bag we tested, with its padded shoulder sling and back, waist strap for better weight distribution of the bag, and separate compartments for camera gear and personal items or accessories. Its camera gear compartment is accessed by a side zipper and can fit a DSLR or mirrorless camera with an attached lens plus 2-3 more small lenses. The upper compartment can fit more camera gear or is a great place to stuff a light jacket, snacks, a memory card wallet, and some batteries to last the day. We love this bag for day hikes or for biking around the city as it is compact and comfortable. Though made with high-quality, water-resistant fabric, this bag does not entirely pass our drench test. The zippers are exposed, leaving these areas vulnerable to seepage. The bag does, however, come with a waterproof cover, when deployed, makes us feel more confident walking around in a rainstorm. All in all, this is a fantastic compact sling camera bag designed with a photographer's everyday needs in mind. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.